Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Adult.
How about
Mommy.
good boy?
Peter Miss.
We'll get to that one. How about this one first?
Alphabet.
Good boy. How about
Up.
arms up? Show me arms up. Can you do
Arm-
arms up? Okay.
Adult. And
What's that one?
nose.
Where is your nose? Is this your nose? How about this one?
Adult.
What's that one?
Up.
Yes, that's a very good one.
Up.
What's this one?
Has
Eyes. Where are your eyes?
toes.
Yes, those are your toes. Those are very good. How about this one?
Up. Itchy. Half. Forty. Peter Miss.
Good boy. Excellent. How about,
Duh.
what does a dog say?
Foo.
Good boy.
Peter Miss.
Yes, that's a fun one, isn't it?
Sure.
How about, how about,
Weave.
good. Show me how to wave. Do you wave like this? How about this one? What's that one?
Mommy.
Oh, that one's mommy. How was this one?
Mommy.
That's not mommy. What's that one?
Baby.
Yes. Good job.
Um.
Click it one more time.